Here I'm going to show how to calculate median using formula, TI calculator and Excel. So let's look at this example. Given below are the shoe sizes of students in a class. And for this example, we will find median using formula, using a TI calculator, using Excel. For using formula, while finding median, we need to arrange the given data in an increasing or decreasing order. Okay, so here I am arranging the data in an increasing order. Then locate the middle value by counting from both sides. I usually find it easier to eliminate number from both sides. Okay, so here I am eliminating this two numbers. Next will be this. So now finally we are left with this middle number. So this is the median. Next, I will show how to find median using calculator. So let me pull up my calculator here. Now go to Stat, then hit Enter. Now we need to enter our data in our list 1. So our data is 8.5, 8, 6, 7.5, 7, 9.5, another 9.5, 6.5, 6, 8.5, and 8.5. Now, once you are done entering data, you need to go to Stat and then use this arrow key to highlight the calc. Now, make sure your one variable stats is highlighted, then hit Enter. Okay. So again, here you need to make sure that for list, your list 1 is selected because that's where we have our data. Okay, then hit Enter. Okay. Now use your arrow button to go down the list. Okay. Then you see your median here. So this is what we found earlier. Okay. So that's the median. Now I'm going to show how to find median in Excel. So let me pull up my Excel up on the screen. Okay. Then I need to enter the data on here. So it's 8.5, 8, 6, 7.5, 7, 9.5, 9.5, 6.5, 6, 8.5, and 8.5. So now to find median, type equals, then type median, then type parentheses, then go to your data and then highlight your data. Okay. Then close your parentheses, then hit Enter. Okay. So this is what the median we got using TI calculator and formula.